Owning the LG WashCombo All-in-One means having the ease of convenience tailored to your lifestyle with thoughtful customizations and options. Let's get into some of the ways that you can optimize this machine to complement your home. Thanks to easy dispense, you will always be using the right amount of detergent every load, and using the right amount of detergent not only lengthens the lifespan of your clothes, but your machine's lifespan as well. And if you have paired your LG WashCombo All-in-One to the ThinkQ app, you can even adjust detergent amounts to 1/10 of an ounce, which is especially helpful if you have hard water. Now let's move on to the digital LCD dial. It comes preloaded with a number of default cycles. Then there are additional cycles that you can add using the cycle list edit option. And for further customization, you'll want to pair your LG WashCombo to that ThinkQ app I mentioned. There you're going to find a downloadable cycle entitled Overnight. That reduces washing noise and continues tumbling after the cycle to prevent wrinkles. If these sound like too many cycle options, just remember that you can also use the cycle list edit to remove the cycles you don't plan on using. I personally just have 5. To the right of the digital dial, you'll find the Options panel, and this is where you can modify a cycle by changing its temperature, its spin speed, soil level, and dryness. This is also where you can add a steam option for superior cleaning and a fresh care option to tumble a completed load, preventing wrinkles. My favorite option here is Turbo Wash 360. Adding this option reduces the cycle time while still providing similar wash performance to the same cycle without Turbo Wash. And some cycles have Turbo Wash 360 set automatically. Just check on the Options panel to see if it's already included in the cycle that you've chosen. The options here are endless, just like the pile of laundry in my house. I really hope that this video has been helpful to you so that you can find exactly the right options for your home.